Hi, welcome Mohansh Technologies. And today we are going to be discussing about ethical hacking in 45 days online training program. And we Mohansh Technologies, we are providing 45 days dedicated online training on ethical hacking. So this is going to be a emerging technology nowadays. A lot of people are actually coming from colleges and already experienced people. A lot of people are actually learning the cybersecurity modules. So in cybersecurity nearby, 150 plus modules are available. On top of that, you will be having ethical hacking, penetration testing, all these things which are going to be available. This is basic fundamental. There is no uh, big coding for that. Very simple things which are going to be delivered for you. And we planned these 45 days online training program with day wise content. The day wise content also I will explore to you how we are going to be delivering the topics in this particular 45 days. We will see. In the week one, foundations and setup. So day one, introduction to ethical hacking, rules of engagement, and legal ethics. And day two, Linux fundamentals for the hackers. And day three, we have the Windows fundamentals and PowerShell overview. And day four, we will be having networking basics like TCP/IP, ports, protocols, and all. And day five, we will be having the OSI model, common network protocols. Day six, we will be having the virtual labs, VM setup, environment design, overview, all these things. And day seven, you will be having the report writing and finding format introduction on the. And day eight, so in week two, we will be having the HTTP fundamentals, cookies, sessions, authentications, and all. And day 16, we will be having the SQL injection concepts and types. 17, we will be having the cross-site scripting, reflecting Storm to DOM. And day 18, we will be having the cross-site request forgery and clicking overview. Day 19, we will be having the broken authentication, session management issues. Day 20, we will be having the insecure direct object references like access control failures. Day 21, we will be working on web application assessment methodology, something like scoping and reporting. And day this is, yeah, that was simply measuring like day 8 here, passive incomes and all. So that is my mistake. Sorry. And we will be having the week 4 web application security part, advanced SQLI, blind time-based WAF considerations, and server-side request forgery, and API security fundamentals and common flaws, XML external entities and distribution issues, and day 26 file upload path traversal voluntarily. And day 27, we will be having the web shells, remote code execution theory. Day 28, retesting and recommendation validation approaches. And the next, day 29, we will be going with exploit basics and metasploit architecture. On day 30, we will be having the privilege escalation techniques, Windows Linux theory. And day 31, we are working on password attacks, hashing and cracking concepts. 32, we are going to be working on lateral movement techniques, post-explosion overview. Day 33, we are going to be working on persistence mechanisms and TR detection. Day 34, we are working on network pivoting tuning concepts. Day 35, we are working on logging, monitoring, indicators of compromise defensive view. And the next, day 36, we are working on wireless security basics. Then day 37, we are working on Wi-Fi attack vectors. 38, we are working on mobile application security fundamentals. Day 39, we are working on mobile backend API security considerations. Day 40, we are working on cloud security fundamentals like IAM, storage, compute risks, and all. And day 41, we are working on container Docker security concepts. Day 42, we are working on secure coding principles and vulnerability mitigation. And week 7, we have advanced concepts like red teaming capstone project. Day 43, we work with red team tactics, adversary emulation. And day 44, we are working on social engineering, phishing awareness. Day 45, we are working on capstone overview, end-to-end penetration test methodology in the reporting part. And this particular 45 days end-to-end training program, online training program, which is going to be giving you the knowledge like basic level to mastery level. So you can able to get the subject, you can able to attend the interview with this particular subject very easily. Why? Because of we are going to be giving the practical things on each and every day, and we will try to give you support definitely we will give you support on resume preparation and job searching concepts and mock-up interviews kind of things. See, remember one point, once you come to the course, once you learn something, you have to do the job. The goal is job. Actually, everybody is looking for the jobs in IT market. Yes, we have the 45 days dedicated program to make you zero to hero. And come to the part, one more thing. And what Mohan's Technologies specially dedicating and giving the features for the training programs. So we are actually different from other training programs and other training platforms. Why? Because of we deliver only online trainings. We don't have any offline parts. And in this online training, we are going to be giving some features for you. Learn by working, workspace, atmosphere, learning, master skill with the real-time work concepts, a practical, still you become master, and real-time coding challenges, 100% job placement assistance, and 100% interview preparation with coding challenges, dedicated placement support till you land your dream job. Okay, so the last point is the most important point, dedicated placement support till you land your dream job. So Mohan's technology dream is every student should get the job. For example, you are the fresher or you are changing your platform, definitely you should be successful end of the day. That is the Mohan's target actually. So we have the platform and we are going to be giving only 45 days training, online training. And definitely your end point is basically job. So our target is definitely everybody want to get the job, right? So that is the reason. So we have to place the person, fresher or experienced person. Definitely uh, you be getting a good job. That is a mastery point. And come to the different kind of job portals. Come to the LinkedIn. Suppose, for example, if I am searching for ethical hacking, cybersecurity, ethical hacking. Sorry, spelling mistake. Ethical hacking cybersecurity. If I am searching for ethical hacking cybersecurity in LinkedIn is the most important job portal where you people are actually creating the account in the LinkedIn. Fine. Why? Because of a lot of IT people are available in the LinkedIn, a lot of HRs are available in the LinkedIn, a lot of openings are actually posting in the LinkedIn. For example, if I search for ethical hacking cybersecurity, see a number of job openings, and number of job openings you can able to see here, and number of job openings you can able to see here. The same time, if I go for the Naukri, in Naukri also, if I search for, okay, ethical hacking again, ethical hacking cybersecurity, ethical hacking cybersecurity, if I'm going to be searching for how many number of job openings which are going to be coming, you can see this. Okay, I just keep only 2 years. I just keep only 2 years. Okay, so for 0 to 2 years also, you will be having thousands of jobs, thousands of jobs available. Okay, if you improve your experience here like till 4 years. Okay, so see how many number of jobs which are going to be available. Every day post is going to be there in the Naukri and LinkedIn. And come to the other platforms, job platforms like Indeed. Okay, even Indeed also ethical hacking cybersecurity in Indeed. Okay, so n number of postings, n number of job postings, 2000 plus jobs. Okay, why? My God. Okay, so come to the Shine. You will be post in Shine also. There are multiple platforms, but major platforms are Indeed and Naukri and this one, Found It also. Found It also a very good job portal, and where you can able to find out. Okay, let me check with Found It here. Ethical hacking, ethical hacking and cybersecurity. Let me search for the 3 years here. In Found It, there are huge number of openings. Huge number of openings. Okay, so that is the agenda. End of the day, you have to get the job. So Mohan's technology dream is different. Okay, so we are the different from other people, and we are target is everybody should get the job from Mohan's technologies. Okay, so that is one agenda. And next, our YouTube channel is there, mohanstechnologies.com. Mohan's Technologies is the YouTube channel, and mohanstechnologies.com is the website. You can visit the website and you can visit the YouTube channel. And every day we are having the YouTube videos and a lot of emerging technologies YouTube videos like quantum computing, blockchain, some other IAM technologies like PingFederate, CyberArk, SOC. There are multiple things we are going to be posting every day regularly. And you subscribe the channel. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. If you subscribe the channel, then only you can get the next videos. Like when you subscribe and click on the bell icon, then only whatever the videos we are uploading, that will be notified to you, and immediately you can able to watch it. So that is the agenda. Bye for now. We will meet in the next class. See you signing off. Bye.